Hi guys, this is John here. As part of this section, we will look at the next cost that you will incur as an entrepreneur, which is the website maintenance cost. Now, in the previous section, we saw that if you are looking to build a company A and you want to build your website, so you would go to a company B, which is a web development company, and you would ask this company that, can you build me a website? And they would say yes, that this is going to be your cost. And we call that a website development cost. And then once your website is built, you are extremely happy and say, yay, I'm happy that my website is built. And then company B comes back to you and says, you know what? Wait. The money that you paid previously was only to build the website. Now, you, company A, have to pay me, company B, another amount for maintaining your website, and this amount has to be paid every month, and this is called as the website maintenance cost. In the previous section, we saw that there was a cost for developing the website, and now there is a separate cost for maintaining the website. The only difference here is that this cost is fixed and it's a one-time cost, means you will pay it just once. And this cost, we call this as a variable cost. Variable as in it will keep recurring, and this cost is per month. So let us say your development cost was 30,000 rupees and your maintenance cost is 1,000 rupees per month. So your total cost is 30,000 plus 1,000 per month into 12 months, because you have 12 months in a year, which is 12,000 rupees. So your cost for first year or your year one is equal to 42,000 rupees. I just added these two. So now we need to understand that there are two costs. One is a fixed cost for development, and now there is another recurring cost or the variable cost when it comes to maintaining the website. And again, this answer you can ask a web development company or you can look it up on Google. And this is another important cost because this cost gets multiplied by a factor of 12. The number 12 because it is a monthly cost and we have 12 months per year. Okay. So I hope this section was clear. Now go ahead and fill in these values in your Entrepedia platform so that you can complete this cost element in your entrepreneurial project. I hope this section was clear for you guys. I will see you guys in the next section. Thank you.